Check out this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear bench seat, tow hooks, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control, power door locks, 4-wheel drive, and power windows. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.